Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very quick and easy recipe for you. This is when you are just craving for a nice chocolate cake just for yourself. So here's one good recipe to follow. This is a very easy recipe, which is mug chocolate cake that we are going to cook in the microwave for 2 minutes. My ingredients are, I'm going to use 1 egg, but try to get a medium egg. And then I have custard sugar. I am going to use up 3 tablespoons. I am using cooking oil, which is going to be 3 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 2.5 ml or half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and also going to use a pinch of salt. Here I have self-raising flour. I am going to use 4 tablespoons of it, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and also we are going to use a teaspoon of chocolate chips. This is my biggest mug, which is 390 ml. And make sure your mug must be microwave safe. I'm going to start off with mixing up my wet ingredients. I am going to use a bowl, but you can use the mug that you're going to use in your microwave. This is my pinch of salt. I'm going to give this a nice good mix. I am adding in my dry ingredients, which is the 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour, and 2 tablespoons of my cocoa powder, and a heaped teaspoon of chocolate chip. Now I'll give this all a nice mix. Here's my mixture. Now I'm going to pour this mixture into my mug. I am ready to pop my mug into the microwave for 2 minutes on high. When you're doing this, you just have to watch your microwave because our microwave powers are different. Here's my chocolate cake in a mug that was done in 2 minutes in the microwave. And now I'm just going to sprinkle some icing sugar on top, and then we're ready to serve. Here's your lovely chocolate cake in the mug. that was cooked in the microwave for 2 minutes, served with a nice cup of coffee. I'm just going to take out a little bit of cake to show you all how it's done in the inside. Lovely and moist and cooked. You can also serve this with some ice cream or some lovely custard. It is a guilty pleasure, but don't feel bad having it once in a while. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.